This is a gym over here where I live. Get a good morning workout in. So a good friend of mine, Tim Storey, talks about miracle mentality. My other good friend, Coach Burt, talks about activating the prey drive. And I was thinking about this, and I said, how can we make this like very simple for someone to understand? And so the best way I can describe it is, we've all seen, that Barrett Jackson where they have the cars, where they auction the cars off, and they might have like an old Mustang Mach 1 or something, a Cobra, and you'll probably see it to sell for maybe $250,000. Maybe you'll see a car sell for $125,000. And if you think about it, when those cars first came out, like the original car, when it first came out off the factory, those cars were not more than, $5,000, $10,000. And so think about that with our life, right? We're born, we're the original. We're the original. But life like beats us up. It wears us down. It bangs us up. And sometimes we gotta stop, and stop trying to run that original mindset, run that original body, run that original spiritual connection, and we got to stop, and we got to develop this miracle mentality. Like Coach Burt says, activate the prey drive. Like Stan Medina says, massive action. It's about rebuilding that spiritual connection, rebuilding your physical health, rebuilding your mental health, and coming back as one of those rebuilt vehicles worth 10 times the amount. Worth 10 times the amount. Think about that. Develop the miracle mentality and believe in yourself, have faith, and the unexpected is where miracles happen. The unexpected is where miracles happen. So if you say, man, you know what, I don't feel like getting physically in shape again, it's going to be hard, I don't know what to expect, that's where miracles happen. I'm not really spiritually connected. I don't know what that's going to be like. I don't know if they're going to think I'm crazy. I don't know what people are going to say about me. Like, that's where miracles happen. So maybe today's the rebuilding process. Maybe it's time you take that original into the shop. Get the frame off restoration. Get the candy paint. Get the new chrome. Get the new mindset. Get the new, physical health going. Get the right foods. Get the right hydration. Get the right, balance. So you can come back. You can come back on the marketplace. You can come back in the world and be 10 times the value. Add 10 times more value to the world, 100 times more value, 10x times, as Grant Cardone says, 10x. And y'all have a massive action day. Stay blessed. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for sharing. Thank y'all for liking. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Let me know where you're at in life. Let me know where you're going to start rebuilding. Let me know what's going to be your end result value. Is it going to be 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, 1,000 times? a million times. Hey, miracle mentality. Anything's possible. The possibilities are endless. Later, guys.